Checking your transaction history on Zencard is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your transaction records. Step 1. Log into your admin panel. Access your Zencard admin panel by entering your username and password. This will take you to the main dashboard where you can manage your store. Step 2. Navigate to the report section. Once logged in, look for the report section in the left-hand menu. Click on it to expand the options related to sales and transactions. Step 3. Select the transaction history option. In the report section, find and click on transaction history. This will direct you to a page where you can view all your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROG to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Review your transaction details. After filtering, a list of transactions will appear. Click on any transaction to view detailed information, including order items, payment methods, and customer details. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Zencard. Regularly reviewing this information can help you manage your store more effectively.